A range of IP addresses that a DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol server, can lease out to DHCP clients is known as what? Well, let's go over some definitions here. It is not a DHCP relay, because what a relay does is it basically repeats. It forwards DHCP broadcasting messages between clients and DHCP servers that are on different network segments. So like subnets, for example. So it's a relay thing. It facilitates DHCP communication across subnets. It doesn't have anything to do with range. Then we have scope. Scope is going to be an address pool. Now, an address pool is a range of IP addresses that a DHCP server is configured to assign to a client on a subnet. So let's say you're a DHCP server, you have a pool of addresses of which you can grab and give to your little DHCP client babies. And you can only pick from that pool, that scope. So that is a range of IP addresses that a DHCP server can lease out to DHCP clients. But let's go over what reservation is. A reservation will ensure that a client always receives the same IP address from a server's pool. It's identified by a device's MAC address. Each hardware is going to have their own MAC address, and it statically assigns the IP to a device. It doesn't have to do with range. And then we have lease. Leasing is a duration for which a DHCP client, like your phone, is allowed to use a dynamically assigned IP address. When this lease is up, your phone or whatever device is going to either need to renew that DHCP address, or it's going to need to ask for another one. It deals with time, not range. Range is scope, the address pool.